Hello, welcome to another podcast of Master Investor. Glad to be here again on another valuable talk on money, business, and investing. My name is Jose. I'm the founder of the company and brand here at Master Investor. If you're new to our community, ensure to subscribe here and follow us on all other social media platforms as we are providing daily content on YouTube, doing a live stream, uploading great videos that will help us understand how to create wealth with the tools that we already have in front of us. And most of us already use these tools, social media, etc. Today, we're going to be speaking about mastering entrepreneurship skills to build wealth, key strategies for success. Today is February 25, 2024, mastering the art of acquiring cash flow and assets. Today's golden rule is a job of a master investor is to make money work hard through sound investing. In today's dynamic economy, the path to wealth creation often intertwines with entrepreneurship. While there's no one-size-fits-all formula for success, honing specific skills can significantly enhance our journey toward building wealth as an entrepreneur. Here are key strategies to consider. Number one, visionary leadership. Successful entrepreneurs possess a clear vision of our goals and a relentless drive to achieve them. We inspire and motivate others to join our mission, fostering a culture of innovation and growth within our ventures. Number two, resilience and adaptability. The entrepreneur journey is fraught with challenges and setbacks. Those who thrive are resilient in the face of adversity, learning from failures and adapting our strategies accordingly. Flexibility and the ability to pivot are invaluable assets in navigating the ever-changing business landscape. Number three, risk management. Entrepreneurship inherently involves risk-taking, but calculated risk management is essential for long-term success. Effective entrepreneurs meticulously assess risk, weigh potential rewards, and implement strategies to mitigate adverse outcomes. Number four, financial literacy. Building wealth requires a deep understanding of financial principles. Entrepreneurs should be adept at investing, financial forecasting, and managing cash flow and also debt. We must also possess the acumen to identify investment opportunities and allocate resources wisely. Number five, networking and relationship building. Building a strong network of contacts and fostering meaningful relationships can open doors to opportunities, partnerships, and mentorship. Successful entrepreneurs actively engage with industry peers, mentors, investors, and potential collaborators to expand our reach and leverage collective expertise. Number six, innovation and creativity. In a competitive market, innovation is the key to differentiation and sustainable growth. Entrepreneurial success often stems from the ability to identify unmet needs, envision innovative solutions, and disrupt traditional industries with groundbreaking ideas. Number seven, effective communication. Clear and effective communication is essential for conveying ideas, building rapport with stakeholders, and negotiating deals. Entrepreneurs should hone our communication skills, whether in public speaking, writing compelling proposals, copywriting through email campaigns, or articulating our vision to our team members. Number eight, time management and prioritization. Entrepreneurship demands wearing multiple hats and juggling various responsibilities. Entrepreneurs must excel in time management, prioritizing tasks based on urgency and importance to maximize productivity and efficiency. Number nine, continuous learning and self-improvement. The entrepreneurial journey is a continuous learning process. Successful entrepreneurs are lifelong learners, staying abreast of industry trends, emerging technologies, and best practices. We actively seek out opportunities for self-improvement through workshops, courses, and mentorship programs. Number 10, persistence and grit. Above all, building wealth through entrepreneurship requires unwavering persistence and grit. Success rarely comes overnight, and setbacks are inevitable. Entrepreneurs must have the tenacity to persevere in the face of challenges, staying focused on our long-term goals despite temporary obstacles. In conclusion, by mastering these essential entrepreneurship skills, aspiring entrepreneurs can navigate the complexities of business ownership and embark on a path towards building lasting wealth and success. While the journey may be arduous, the rewards of entrepreneurship are often immeasurable, both personally and financially. I appreciate you listening to another amazing podcast. Let me know what you think. Write a question below if you have one. Comment and like and share as we help the community grow. And remember, it's all about going back to the principles and the basics of business and investing, okay? The more we know about business, the better we are at investing, because we cannot have investing without business. Learn how to manage debt, learn how to invest with debt, right? Debt is a tool to make us wealthy, or debt can be a tool for somebody to become very poor. If it's mismanaged, if it's used to only buy liabilities, then debt is a tool to make someone poor. But if we use debt to buy assets, then now we can create money with that money with debt. And it's tax-free, because debt is tax-free. And see, we're building passive income and capital gains income. We can also minimize taxes all the way to zero on many occasions legally, doing it with a tax strategy and a plan that goes accordingly to the law and the tax code, which allows us to take tax advantages at the end of the day, because we're doing what the government wants us to do, which is invest in the economy's growth. So understanding how wealth is created, what is money, how to manage debt, how to control our cash flow, how to take financial decisions, begins with the foundation of a strong financial education in us. So investing in our financial education is something that we should have on our expense column at all times, and investing, because we have to actively be investing. So we're not giving our money away to anybody to invest it for us. We're taking financial education so that we know exactly what to do with our money. We're not giving it to anybody. So we use our financial education to prepare us for any type of economy, to create passive income and sometimes capital gains income, depending on the asset that we're going to build and acquire. The idea is to have systems in place that are producing us constant positive cash flow, even while we're sleeping, or while we're at the gym, or while we're enjoying life, we're doing a podcast. Even podcasts as a way to create passive income as we grow our community, and as you share your thoughts and your skills and information that will help other people, the community will grow, and eventually you get paid through sponsorships, advertising, etc. So today we have tools, resources, networks on our fingertips. Let's use our tools, become producers more than consumers. And when we're consuming, we have to make sure that we're doing personal development, financial education, right? Because the more financial education, the more we know about money and how to create money with money, and how to create money without money, because it does not take money to make money. What it takes is financial education. There are a lot of people with money, but yet they don't make money with that money. They save that money in the bank. It's because of lack of financial education. So here at Master Investor, the whole idea of being a master investor is that we always go back to financial education every single day. And we hone down on those basic and fundamentals of business and investing, which are important. And when we also help other people, then we also become better, you see? Because when we help other people, then we can also hone down on our skills and the principles of becoming a wealthy entrepreneur. It's about a lifestyle and the mindset that we operate with when it comes to building our wealth and using money. How do we use money? How do we make money? How do we spend money? Okay, every single little habit in regards to money, the way we use it, matters. So here at Master Investor, we build the bridge of the poor mindset to the wealthy mindset. Whatever product you're going to get from us is to equip you with the principles of a wealthy entrepreneur, with the fundamentals, the core values of a master investor, so that you can actively, a master is a student for life. That's a master. Okay, and so we always go back to financial education, and we're actively investing with our money. And that's the most important point that I want to leave you with this audio, that here at Master Investor, we want to make sure that our community, everyone is growing, and you're taking control of your finances. You're making those decisions. I hope that you enjoyed today's talk again. Thank you for supporting our community and our company here at Master Investor. Make sure you click the link in the description to have access to our digital course and be able to download our ebook, How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet, Turn Passive Income On. We have 3 ebooks right now. That one, the 10 New Rules of Money, and How to Invest in Crypto to Build Wealth, Understanding Bitcoin and Blockchain. All of these ebooks are available on Amazon through Kindle, but if you go to our website by clicking the link in the description, you'll have access to additional assets because each ebook has turned into a digital course on our website. And as we add more assets, you will always be grandfathered in to have access to those assets regardless of the price going up, because it will as we add more assets in each digital course to emphasize more on the topic of the ebook. Anyway, stay extraordinary and wealthy, bringing you the good and bad news of money, the business principles that work in all economies. Bye for now.